Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the personal hotspot disabled on this device. If you go to settings, here you can see the personal hotspot option is disabled. We cannot tap on this one option. Okay, so let me show you how to fix this issue. Simply go to settings and tap on the option mobile service. So first of all, to fix this one, you need to enable your mobile data or the cellular data. Turn on the option mobile data. Now here you can see the option personal hotspot. Otherwise, if you go back the main settings page, here also you can see the option personal hotspot. Tap on this one. Now simply turn on and you can use the personal hotspot. So simply in this way we can fix the issue the personal hotspot disabled on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.